Art education is essential because that's how I was able to show myself and who I really was in high school. You know, I took chorus class. It was at the last period of every day, and I had a blast. It was always so much fun to be there. I had really great teacher, and I learned a lot from, and that's where I found my voice, like actually my singing voice. There was a group in there called Harmonics that you could be a part of, where you could sing and dance, and me and my brother were the choreographers of this little group, and you know, that's where we found our passion and love for musical theater. You know, it was always there, but we really got to express it there, and a lot of people got to express themselves and really explore themselves and how to, you know, show themselves and who they are. You know, especially a lot of kids that come from, you know, kind of bad families and bad backgrounds. That's their one way of, you know, expressing themselves. So it's so important to have the arts. It's so important to have these programs to let these kids really explore themselves and enjoy themselves. You know, it is an education. People have to learn about this. If I didn't learn about it then, I wouldn't have the profession I do now, the profession I love, the profession I wouldn't give anything else for. You know, it's so important to have these kids, especially at a young age, learning these different skills on how to, you know, express themselves emotionally and like find that connection. And it's really about finding yourself in that and what you enjoy. And even if you don't have to take it professionally, it's just a great way to put yourself out there. And I think it's so important. I don't think it's something that we can get rid of. I think every student can benefit from having any type of art education.